Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a glimpse into the future with the Honda Civic 2025. Let's dive in. The Honda Civic has long been synonymous with reliability, efficiency, and innovation. In 2025, Honda continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering with the latest iteration of the Civic. One of the first things you'll notice about the Civic 2025 is its striking design. Sleek lines, futuristic LED headlights, and a streamlined profile give the Civic a dynamic and aerodynamic appearance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a modern and tech-savvy interior. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials and advanced technology seamlessly integrated throughout. The Civic 2025 boasts a range of cutting-edge technology features, including an intuitive infotainment system, advanced driver assistance systems, and connectivity options that keep you connected on the go. But it's not just about looks and tech. The Civic 2025 delivers an exhilarating driving experience thanks to its responsive handling, efficient powertrains, and eco-friendly credentials in an age where sustainability is paramount. The Civic 2025 leads the way with its eco-friendly design and efficient powertrains, helping to reduce emissions and minimize its environmental footprint. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future with the Honda Civic 2025. With its innovative design, advanced technology, and eco-friendly credentials, the Civic continues to set the standard for the compact car segment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe.